Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm Samuel with New Mexico Homes and Solitaire Homes of Albuquerque, New Mexico. Today I want to show you one of the strongest built multi-section homes in the industry. This is a Solitaire double wide. It is a 2852 3A. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a massive walk-in closet. It is 1,456 square feet. We'll start on the exterior. We'll touch on some of the exterior features, maybe some of the upgrades that you may be comfortable adding to your home, and we'll go over all the things that make Solitaire unique to the industry. We'll work our way back in. We'll go over the same process in the interior. Again, touch on the interior features and options that you may want to add into your home. If you have any questions about this model or any models that you may be looking at from Solitaire, please do not hesitate to ask and I'll be sure to get those answered. And if you feel like Solitaire could be the answer for you, do not hesitate to reach out. You can reach me at 505-294-5555 or visit us here in Albuquerque, New Mexico at 10724 Central Avenue Southeast, 87123 Albuquerque, New Mexico. Enjoy the tour and we'll talk to you soon. Welcome back to the show. Starting on the exterior features, I'd like to share one of the main changes. This home, if you're looking to purchase this model, is now built standard with the 16-foot dormer. That's exactly what the dormer looks like right there. So if you're looking to purchase this Solitaire model here, keep in mind it will come with that 16-foot dormer. Prefer the look of just how it is here, all you got to do is let us know and we'll get you what you want. What we're looking at here is the LP Smart Panel siding. It's a great product, has a 50-year manufacturer's warranty. The upgraded option we're looking at is a wainscot siding on the front door half, and the colors we're looking at are Whiskers, Industrial Revolution, Gypsum, and Industrial Revolution. We'll start at the top. So notice the residential 12-inch eaves all the way around the home. Again, that's a standard feature. It adds tons of value to your home. It also houses the static air vents. Main purpose is to keep the water off the side of your home, the rainwater. But the static air vents, as heat rises, the air is constantly going to be exchanged out. That in combination on your roof system, you got a power attic ventilator fan. It is a mushroom dome looking thing. It's thermostatically controlled. So the homeowner has to do nothing. If the attic space reaches a certain temperature, it kicks on by itself. Again, you got vents in the eaves, the power attic ventilator fan, and on top of that, you're also going to have your vented attic space. So for cross airflow, your home's going to breathe with the climate. It's going to be more efficient, and your AC and your heaters, they're not going to be working as hard. So you're going to be saving on your energy cost. The standard roof load in the Solitaire is 20-pound roof load. You can upgrade if it's necessary to 30-pound. We're also going to be thermal zone 2 standard. So thermal zone 2 standard, you got R30 in the ceiling, R19 in your sidewalls, and R11 in the floors. So what we do to make it a thermal zone 3 home and classify it as an Energy Star certified home, we bump up the R value in the floor from R11 to R22, and in the ceiling from R30 to R40. We're also looking at the upgraded 29 gauge metal roof. One color available, very nice look. We'll come around this half of the home here. We'll take a look at the utility room entrance. But before that, I want to talk about the standard features. So your standard security lights on the front 2 corners, that's a standard feature. You can add them to all 4 corners, so the back 2 corners, for an upgrade if that's what you want. I mentioned the wainscot siding going this direction on the front side of the half. If you go standard, your home will be built with the LP Smart Panel siding in this direction, or you can order the lap siding all the way around the home this direction, and you'll still be able to choose from 12 colors available. Another option that we have is to add an extra layer of plywood wrap. Yes, plywood wrap the whole house around it to make it stronger. I mean, it's already strong enough as it is, but you know, for better insulation and more peace of mind, we can do that. And talking about construction, Solitaires are built standard with 2 by 6 inch exterior sidewalls. That's how we're able to put the R19 insulation in there, the fiberglass bat standard. So that adds 35% more to the structural integrity of your home. But what's holding up that sidewall, right? Because it weighs a lot. You're going to have your outriggers right here that are going to extend all the way out to your exterior sidewall. So that's going to support the sidewall. It's going to be more stable, and you'll have less issues as far as cracks are concerned. Connected to the outriggers, you have your I-beams. So this is the I-beam right here. I-beam on each half of the house. They traverse the length of the home. So again, for stability, support, there's a 5-time rolled steel. And they are also painted with the anti-corrosive paint. And connecting your I-beams, I'll back up here, you got a Z-channel cross member. So Z-channel is more rigid. When the home is in transit and it's braking and, you know, braking, hitting the gas back and forth, the Z-channel cross member shaped like a Z, it has support both ways, as opposed to a C that has a weak spot depending which way it's, which direction it's facing. But we're also going to add a gusset. That's a gusset right there. So it's another reinforcement, another point of contact, so you can have confidence that you have a very stable frame with the I-beams, the outriggers, and your Z-channel cross members supporting Solitaire's gridded floor system. Here's your utility room entrance here. Very unique, because actually most utility room entrances are off the back door half here. So we have it coming this way. It has a nice flow. This is the upgraded option. So the upgraded rear vinyl clad door with the storm door. We just do not have the storm door installed. If you keep it standard, you'll have 9 panes of glass that swings outward. But check this out. This swings inward, and you can have that storm door closed for some natural lighting or some, you know, extra airflow. Let me know which one you guys prefer. Okay, continuing around here. Again, we touched on the eaves all the way around the home. The main purpose is to keep the water, but they also house the static air vents. And that's important because you and your family are going to be extremely comfortable in your home in the summer or the winter months, but also, like I said, you'll be saving money on your energy cost. And there's benefits for having an Energy Star certified home, depending, you know, on the county that you're in or the state. So this is where the your water heaters are gonna be housed. This is your water heater access panel. It is equipped with water heater drain pipes in the event that there is a leak or you just want to drain it out, or maybe you have to replace it. You can have peace of mind that it's going to be an easier job. So right next to that, you got the fresh water connection. Whether you're on a well, you're hauling your own water, a water tank, or city water, this is where we'll hook up the fresh water connection and get the water going to your home. Right next to that, you got the dryer vent here. So that's where the dryer is going to exhaust out. And right above that, you have the hood vent, also going to exhaust out there above the stove. Touching on the windows, so we're using a site-built residential window. Other manufacturers, they'll be used what's referred to as a universal manufactured window. It's universal because it has a gap. Like this is the frame, it has a gap. You can stick, it's a thing, they can shove more of the vinyl siding in there. You can see I can't stick my finger in here because not only is it vinyl and steel and secured to the home itself, we're also siliconing it all the way around on the bottom and also on the top, so you can have confidence that the windows will hold up. And this is your dining room window. So the option here is you can add a 6-foot sliding glass door out of your dining room. That way you can exit out and maybe have a deck built. If you do plan on building a deck, I mean, you do have a GFCI protected outlet right here. That's nice for your, you know, your power tools or your yard working tools. And I skipped over the drain outlet. It is labeled. So the drain outlet is going to make it easier for the plumber to hook up to your septic systems or even to the city sewer services. And it's on each half of the house, but you got confidence because it's labeled. You don't have to worry about it. All right, continuing on. Again, this model is a 285238 and it is 1,456 square feet. So as I mentioned, your vented attic space, I mean, let me know guys in the comments, is that what you're looking for when you're shopping for a manufactured home, when you're looking to purchase a home? Would you rather have site built quality or just a, you know, a regular manufactured home? If you rather have site built quality, then Solitaire is definitely going to be the one. As I mentioned, the security lights, that's an upgrade, but at least you have the option to add it to the back two corners. This is your marriage line here, so this is where each half of the home comes together. And another benefit to having the vented attic space, not only is it going to breathe with the climate, also it's going to reduce the chances of moisture. Here in New Mexico, we don't really deal with too much moisture. So that's one benefit. And another benefit is, as I mentioned, you and your family and your loved ones are going to be extremely comfortable. And also you're going to be putting money back in your pocketbook so you can get time back to enjoy that time with your family. You know, take them out to a movie, or just have fun and enjoy your time, guys. You can always make more money, right? But you can't make more time. Just like to show you the windows again. They're all dual pane. They have the easy tilt feature, Energy Star certified, and we will be providing all your window screens. Again, this is the wainscot siding. I'll touch on the colors again. So you got the color whiskers here. Then it's gonna come down to gypsum, and then Industrial Revolution accent 1 and accent 2 right there. And again, the trim will be the color gypsum. Let's work our way inside this awesome Solitaire double wide. You guys enjoying the tour so far? Out of the houses that you guys seen in there, I'm curious, what is your thoughts on a Solitaire? How it's built, and how do you think it will hold up over time? So what we're looking at here is the oval decorative door. It is a very nice option. Yes, it's an option, it's an upgrade. So if you prefer just to have it standard or just be a standard steel door with your peephole and your knocker, people have their preferences. So I mean, I like this look, but it's just nice to have a choice, and that's going to be standard on the outside. Security light. 1 second here. Get you close up on that eave while I unlock this door. Nah, it's a beautiful day in here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I hope everyone else out there is looking forward to the day. Okay, stepping on in. Give you a good shot of that, from the top to the bottom. So again, stepping on into the living room of the 2852 3A, previously known as the 856 SC for super closet. Your ceiling fan is 52 inches and it's standard in your living room and your master bedroom. Very nice look with the Solitaire night white paint color. So you can see here that we're using a 1/2 inch sheetrock throughout the home, and it is a brocade knockdown tape and texture technique, and it adds a lot of character to the home. And then we're going to finish off the look with your 4-inch crown molding above, coming on down to the 2.5 inch base trim below. So you got the LED can lighting here in the living room. That's an upgrade. If you don't want that, I mean, you can just order your home without the LED can lighting, and then you'll have your ceiling fan as a lighting source. But tons of natural lighting with the big windows. What do you guys think about these cornice boxes? I mean, I love the look, right? It just adds that residential appeal. Again, right? I don't even feel like I'm in a mobile home, and mobile home is just built into the language. This is a manufactured home, guys, and I mean, it's built in a factory, but you can just see the quality for yourself. But then again, you wouldn't know unless you're in one. So going back to the cornice boxes, we're not just putting them up and hoping for the best. You know what I mean? We're actually going to secure it and reinforce it with your corner blocks and add a shelf up here for extra support, so you can have confidence that will hold up if you do decide to put plants or, you know, anything that you may think that can go up there. You can have confidence that it will hold up. Again, this is obviously the living room. We're looking at this colored carpet. The color of the carpet here is the tree barred color. And this is the standard option. So you got the carpet in the living room, the luxury vinyl tile in the dining room, the kitchen, the utility room, the bathrooms, and you have carpet in the bedrooms. Or you can order your home with the LVT in the living room, or the LVT, which is short for luxury vinyl tile, throughout the home. What do you guys prefer? Also, you got the floor vents. So this is it's centralized heating and cooling. So your floor ducts, they're encased in the R11 insulation. So you got R22 in the floors, also R11. Realistically, you have R33 in your floors. Very well insulated. This is the standard option, away the distance that it is away from the wall, standard. You do have the option to push them up to the perimeter of the walls. You can also, if you're doing an all-electric house, you can push them up to the ceiling. Here in New Mexico, primarily, we're in a natural gas state, so most of our customers keep it standard or they push them out to the perimeter. One of the things I want to talk about, which is a change that's been implemented, and that happened after we ordered our home. So the coffered ceiling is coming back. Coffered ceiling or tray ceiling, right? So we frame it out from the wall here, frame it back up, and then we add the crown molding in both sections, and it does add a lot of dimension. I really love the tray ceilings, the coffered ceilings. I'm jazzed, guys, that they're bringing it back. Right here, this is your marriage line. So this is where each half of the home comes together. And now that we're on that topic, so on a Solitaire, you can, just so you know, Solitaires are built with 2x4-inch marriage line walls. And also, you got a exclusive ridge beam. So it's a 2-foot ridge beam on each half of the house. A ridge beam is the backbone of your house, the spine of your home. And HUD, right? HUD regulates the construction and the design of all manufactured homes. Most manufacturers are going to build to the HUD minimum. And HUD only requires a ridge beam to be in the open areas. We're Solitaire. We feel that it should be built right up front. So we put the ridge beam on each half of the house that run end to end, and it's exclusive. It's 2 feet, 2 feet by 3 inches. And again, our Solitaire spine is not missing any parts in it. And that's the 2-foot ridge beam. Taking a look at the kitchen here. So I'll let you know what we're looking at here. For one, you're looking at the upgraded LED can lighting in your dining room. If you would rather have a chandelier, no problem, that's how it comes standard. Also, if you rather have a sliding glass door right here, 6-foot sliding glass door, we can accommodate that. What would you guys prefer? Would you rather have the windows, or would you put a sliding glass door right here? We'll touch on the flooring real quick. So it's the 9x18 luxury vinyl tile. And the cool thing, it's all hand laid, right? All hand laid, and it's under your countertops. We lay it out before we start building the walls. So it's underneath everything. That's important. But what's also important is what the LVT is resting on. And if you're familiar with Solitaire, allow me to explain what type of floors we have. So you have a marine plywood floor decking. And when I say marine, basically it's just a 1932 grade A plywood floor decking. It's rigid, guys. I mean, you got the plywood floors, super strong. You don't have to worry about squeaky floors, which a lot of older mobile homes are known for, or homes that are built with OSB floors. They tend to, you know, I call it squeaky floor syndrome, or like a trampoline. I mean, how embarrassing. Your family comes over and your floors are squeaking. So I don't know if you can hear that, but I do apologize for the noise. But I just want you, since you can't feel it, to hear it, to hear how strong it is. And what makes it so strong is not only the plywood, but we're also doing 2x6 floor joists, the width of the home on each half, every 16 inches on center. In between that, we're doing 2x3s traversing the length of the home on each half. And between that, we're going to support it with 2x3 stringers, right, to bridge the gaps. So it creates a grid. It's known as Solitaire's exclusive gridded floor system. And it's an amazing floor system. It's got a ton of value. In my opinion, the floor system alone is worth the money. I mean, the construction alone is worth the money. All right, so we got the countertops here. I mean, this bar here, this isn't the biggest double wide, but I really do enjoy the size of it. Anyone who's looking for something with not a ton of square footage, or maybe as a starter home, this is a perfect home. And you can easily fit 5 to 6 people. We've tested it. But let me tell you what colors we're looking at. We're looking at the Mediterranean marble here. So you got the Mediterranean marble. Yes, it's a Formica countertop, but it's going to complement the backsplash. That's the biscuit color backsplash. And then it's going to work its way up to, yes, our solid wood cabs. If you followed Solitaire for quite some time, you may or you may not know this, that, you know, we're known for having a solid wood cabinet system. Not only that, they do have adjustable shelving, and they're going to have hidden hinges. Super strong. Is that the type of cabinet system that you would want in your home? Or would you rather have MDF or particle board? Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so let's talk about the sink. The sink, this is the upgraded option here. It's the farm sink option. It's a nice option. I mean, standard is a right here, right, separation, dual chamber, steel sink. You've seen one of those before. But I mean, I like this because if you have your water on, sometimes it tends to hit that right here where you have the divider, and the water splashes everywhere. I mean, it's minuscule, but minimal. Regardless, you're going to have the black hardware. You're going to have this guy right here, so you can easily get around those dishes, wash them. But what do you guys prefer? Do you like the farm sink, or would you just prefer the standard, you know, double chamber steel sink? Underneath that, though, let me show you what's important here. You got a shut-off valve anywhere you have a water source. And that's going to be on any double wide that's built out of Deming, New Mexico. And we are, as it should be, using the residential 3rd generation PEX plumbing. Also, you can see our diameters are cut to the exact diameter of the PEX plumbing. So our appliances are included, and this is the standard appliance package out of Deming, New Mexico. So you got your Frigidaire appliances, you got the side-by-side refrigerator here with the water dispenser and your ice maker. Just give you an idea what that looks like. So you're ready to go when you move in. You already got your appliances. Let's say you don't like the black, you can upgrade to the black stainless steel, more of a brushed nickel look. And if you don't need the dishwasher, we can actually build you cabinets right there, some extra cabinets, or just leave it open, whatever you want. Right over here though, oh, I love the way the stoves, I mean, I don't love the way they are, I just love them. This is a Frigidaire stove, and remember I said this is a gas home. So let me tell you what I love about it. I like that they put this middle burner right here, so you could got multiple things cooking at the same time. I have a family of 4, so I mean, those kind of things that I look for. But what do you guys look for? Would you rather get cooking done in a more efficient manner, be more effective, and get that time back again with your family with that middle burner? I mean, it may be minimal to some people, but me, I just thought it was cool. Another option here is, this is just a standard vent hood. It does exhaust out. That way when you're doing your cooking, as the smoke rises, it's going to exhaust out. You can get a microwave vent hood, so it'll be a nice looking microwave right here, and it'll still exhaust and vent out. Give you a shot of the kitchen. Plenty of countertop space for those of you that like to get down on cooking. And I'm going to swing around here because I'm going to let you know this house does not have a pantry. But hey, do you think it's necessary, given that you have so much cabinetry going on in this house? Would this accommodate your pantry needs? Let me know in the comments. Again, solid wood cabs into ash wood. This is the natural color. We got 3 colors to choose from. We're looking at natural, and it's got tons of character. I love it. And then you got the adjustable shelving with your hidden hinges, and they're solid. And we're also, right, just because we got, you know, longevity in mind. We want to make sure your investment in your home is protected. So we do add this back here to protect your sheetrock. Same thing with the backsplash here. It is an upgrade to take it all the way up, the 18-inch full height backsplash. The standard option will be like your first row going all the way around. And then as you get around the stove, it's going to go up behind the stove to the cabinets and then drop back down to that first row and just continue on. Kind of like this right here. So what do you guys like, standard or do you like the upgraded option? I'll tell you what I like about the upgraded option. For one, when you're cooking, you know, grease, things of that nature splashing here, it's going to be easier than it is to clean the sheetrock. Granted, you will still have this section if you do standard. But even over here, I mean, as you're washing your dishes, same thing, same idea, same concept, guys. What do you guys think, though? Give you a shot of the kitchen. And then we're going to go check out the utility room. All right, so as we walk into the utility room here, you're going to have the furnace to the left. And then to right across the furnace, you have a little area to do your folding, store some of your laundry detergent, maybe a junk drawer, right? And I don't know, but at least you have it. And then you're also going to have your, your upper wood cabinets with your real wood hanging dowels. What's cool about this utility room though is not only the way it looks, but it also equipped with the whole house water shutoff valve. And I'm impressed with this right here. Let me tell you what impressed me. I was impressed by the stability of this shutoff valve. I've been in other manufactured homes before a few times and that's all I needed. And when I turned this, it was very flimsy. So it just speaks to the quality, and it just goes to show you guys that here at Solitaire, we do things right, the way it should be. And then this is your access panel for any water lines coming into the home. So I'm gonna back up here just to kind of give you an idea where the washer will sit, where your dryer will go, and again, plug in and vent out. We talked about the vents in the attic. We talked about the power attic ventilator fan, and we also talked about the vents in the eaves. I'm gonna give you one more. You got a whole house ventilation system. So again, if you would like to circulate the air, maybe, you know, you're cooking fish or something like that, you just come here, kick this on, and it's gonna circulate that air for you. I'm going to show you something in here, but before I do that, this is what I was talking about outside, the upgraded rear door option, which will swing inward, and then you'll have that storm door. Again, we just don't have it installed. But what are you guys thinking? Do you guys like to look at that, or would you just keep it standard with that door that swings outward and it's 9 panes of glass? I do like this option right here. Okay, so what we're looking at here, let me tell you what this is. This is a data sheet, and HUD, remember HUD? HUD requires a data sheet to be in all manufactured homes. I already explained that a Solitaire is built standard with Thermo Zone 3 insulation. Sorry, standard with Thermo Zone 2. So when we bump up that R value in the roof and the floors, and because of that power attic ventilator fan, it's going to classify it as a Thermo Zone 3 home. And why that's important, not only is your family going to be extremely comfortable, but again, your energy costs are going to be lower. And what this is telling us here is that your heater will maintain 70 degrees when the outdoor temperature consists of minus 82 degrees. It's wild. We're not in Antarctica or anything crazy like that, but you get the concept. You guys are smart. Your AC and your heater aren't going to be working as hard. Very well insulated. All right, right over here we have your electrical panel. And just to show you, anything I tell you guys, please go verify it. But this is the Energy Star certified home. It's built in Deming, New Mexico. Let me tell you what I like about this panel here. It is a 200 amp service. Awesome, but look at this. Whoever wrote this has very legible and clear handwriting. And I appreciate that. So whoever wrote this at the factory, thank you very much, because our homeowners, our electricians, our contractors, they're gonna have an easy time reading this. So again, shout out to the factory workers that are putting so much time and dedication into every home that we build. Okay, coming into the kitchen, my friends. Give you one last look here. What are you guys thinking so far? Is this something that you had in mind? Is this something that will work for you? If not, we got tons of other floor plans to choose from the same factory, same finishes, and we got tons of options. Okay, I'm gonna save the best for last, which is the master bedroom and the super closet. And I want to come over here and I want to really quickly point out the outlets in the room. 1, 2, 3, and they all have 2 per outlet receptacles, and they're stud mounted. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. I mean, talk about functionality, guys, and convenience. This one over here, I'm really liking where they located this receptacle right here, because to plug in your vacuum, if you do have carpet in your homes, assuming your cord is long enough, you're going to be able to get all 3 rooms done in one, not in one vacuum, but you know, you're not that unplug it and find another receptacle. You plug it in right there, you're good to go, my friends. Okay, let's check out before we go into the restroom, the second restroom, I want to show you the bedrooms really quickly. So this is bedroom 2 here. If you're curious about the dimensions, just let me know, hit me up, guys. I'll get you the dimensions. I can even get you the floor plan. You could also find the floor plan online though. This is the ST28523A. Pretty much the same features as the living room. You got the cornice boxes, you got the 4-inch crown molding, the 2.5-inch base trim below, you got your stud mounted outlets, your dual pane windows with the easy tilt feature. Oh, and we do provide all your mini blinds as well. Swinging around here, you do have the option to order the nice 52-inch ceiling fans in the secondary bedrooms. That would be consistent throughout the home. It'll match the black hardware, the black door handles, and the shaker doors just to finish off the look. However, if you want to do your own ceiling fans, you can have confidence that you're going to be able to do so. And let me tell you why. They're pre-braced with 2x4s in your attic and pre-wired. So yes, pre-brace and wire so you can do those home improvements yourself. You can go down to Home Depot or Lowe's, get your ceiling fan and come up in here, get your ladder and install it. Or you can just order it with the ceiling fans from the factory and not even have to worry about it. Do you guys like the 3-panel shaker doors? And do you like the fact that we're using real wood shelving and real wood hanging dowels? Is that what you want? If you say yes, then guys, Solitaire is the one for you. Solid, guys, solid. Real wood hanging dowels and real wood shelving. Right here, we just like to keep extra parts on hand, extra paint, just in case, guys. We're prepared. So you never know what's going to happen out there. And we just like to be prepared because, well, I don't know, guys. It just makes our job easier. Okay, we're going to go across the hall here, jump across to the 3rd bedroom. Bam, same features, 1/2-inch sheetrock, crown molding, 2.5 base trim below, cornice boxes, your 2-inch mini blinds, and your windows do tilt in. Excuse me. All right, so closet, yes, again, I mean, I'm curious what you guys think. Do you like how we finish off the look here with your crown molding above? Do you like the real wood shelving? I know I already asked you that, but I'm very curious. I want to know what you guys prefer. If you would rather have wire shelving or if you think this has more value. And again, we're not just hoping for the best and putting it up there. Look at that. I mean, building it right up front the way it's supposed to be. I believe everybody in the world should have access to site-built quality, but be able to afford it, guys. And that's what we're known for. I mean, we're wholesale factory direct, and we're just known for getting people into homes. And like I said, it's been a great experience for me, helping a lot of people. And I have a lot of happy customers, guys. If you're looking for a home that's gonna last a long time, something that's gonna be there for your family when you need it to be, Solitaire is the one. You got the porcelain sinks with the black hardware. Your Formica countertops will be throughout the home the same color, as well as your ceramic style backsplash. I love this new standard here. So you got the new standard black frame mirrors. I mean, finishing off the look, guys, just very, It looks very well put together. Almost like a designer came in here and designed it. You have a elongated water-saving commode. And this right here, this is a one-piece fiberglass mold. Again, solid. They should have named it Solitaire. Solid shower. I do like that they put the shower head higher up for our taller individuals. And also, I love that we put the window here. Why do I like that? For one, for some nice lighting. For two, for some ventilation. And as I mentioned, anywhere you have a water source, do you guys think this is important right here? Do you think it's important to have a shut-off valve anywhere you have a water source? So you underneath here too. Okay, I'm gonna swing out here. We're gonna go check out the master. I already told you about the tile, right? 9x18 luxury vinyl tile, Elements, LVT. This is the smokehouse color. We do have one more color option available. Tray ceilings are coming back. Coffered ceilings are coming back. Upgraded LED lighting. Remember the ridge beam. Standard roof load is 20 pound. We can upgrade it to 30 pound if necessary. Oh, also, you got the radiant barrier roof decking. We can't see it, but up in the attic, radiant barrier roof decking. So that's going to keep, 97% of the sun's rays out from your attic space. Even more efficiency. And like I said, even more peace of mind. When it comes to home ownership, peace of mind is very important. To all my homeowners out there, you know what I mean. So this is the master right here. Not even to all my homeowners, renters, you guys got to reach out to me. We can fix that for you. So this is the master bedroom. What do you guys think? Where would you put your bed? Would you put your bed on this wall here? Or would you put your bed over this wall here? And would you put your TV there? Or what would you do with this area right here? How would you utilize it? Would you keep it as is? If you do, let me show you what you get. You get the super closet right here. This thing is massive. I believe it's 9'7" by like 10. You got the shirt and skirts ready to go. Shirt and pants, shelving. As I mentioned, real wood shelving. And all our shelves, all our drawer banks are built into the home. They're anchored in. All our studs are 16 inches on center. What do you guys think about this closet though? Would you be able to fill it up, or would you order this as the optional study room? And then, as I mentioned right here, if you choose that option, then this will become your closet. It'll be 2 doors. So it's still a decent sized closet. Or do you prefer this? I think my wife would like this better. And I know she would like this. It'll save space, guys. You don't have to have another dresser, because you can put your beds in there, your nightstands, and then you have a dresser right here where you can come in, put your things here. You can put your things here as well, maybe your jewelry. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drawers, guys. 7 drawers, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shelves. And again, solid wood, and this is the natural color. So when you pick your cabinet colors, just keep in mind it's going to be throughout the home. The lights. So guys, the cool thing is you don't have to go to the mobile home store anymore to get your replacement parts, or to, add on maybe other parts that you may think look better. Because we're focusing on the construction, so we're not going to pay too much mind to how the light fixtures look. The good news is, like I said, you can go down to Lowe's or your local hardware store, Ace, whatever the case may be, and you can get those things and you can add them into your home. And that's the beauty of home ownership. I haven't even showed you the master bathroom yet. Let me show you this. So master bedroom, master closet. This is your master bathroom here. I love this floor plan, guys. So you got the dual vanities with the porcelain sinks. You got your drawers next to the doors. Tons of storage space here. Even there, you can see in the mirror, we got another cabinet there. And you got the black frame mirrors with the black pendant, the black lighting. in your black hardware. Just very well put together, very cohesive. What's your opinion on the characteristics of the naturally stained cabinet color? Do you guys like it? Would you get creative and do something else with it? Or would you order a different color like white or maybe a titanium stain? Either way, the titanium and this right here is ash. If you order white, that's going to be a poplar. So this is a standard shower right here. This is a standard one-piece fiberglass mold. And what makes it standard is just the fiberglass mold. You do have the option to get the 60-inch tile shower. It's a very good looking shower, but this ain't bad either. Not only is it solid, but you got plenty of room here. As I mentioned in the second bathroom, they put that up high enough where you don't have to worry. And it's also got a seat in there. You know what I mean? Look how solid that sounds, guys. And that's because the floor system is one of the most important things of any structure. Do you guys agree with that? Plenty of room in here. Ladies, you can shave your legs. Men, you can have a seat, take a load off, and just kick back and get clean and start your day or end your day. I'm 6 foot, by the way, so I fit in there very comfortably. This is your commode, and as I mentioned, it's going to be elongated and it's water saving. You also have your window there. So just one more shot of that master bathroom. Show you here. Do you guys like it? Yes or no? Okay, now we're going to swing here. Now we can get one more shot of the master bedroom. Dang. As I mentioned, yes, that is standard, and it's a 52-inch ceiling fan. It feels very nice and comfortable in here. It's like almost 99 degrees outside. There's a lot to go over, my friends, so if I missed anything, I do apologize. But as I mentioned, if you have any questions, I'm here. I'll try to get those answered for you. Nice. That's it for the tour, guys, of the 2852 3A. I'm really thankful that you guys are able to join me today, and I had a lot of fun touring this house, making this video for you guys. Any way I can improve the content, please do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section. Reach out to me. My contact information is in my bio. Also, if you feel like Solitaire could be the one for you, that Solitaire could be the answer for you, just hit us up, guys, and we could talk about the possible next steps. That way we could work your way to home ownership or work your way to becoming a Solitaire owner. Or maybe you're looking to upgrade from your previous manufactured home. Regardless of the situation, guys, I give you my word that I'll give you the information that you need. That way you can make an informed decision. So again, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys have a great day, and feel free to reach out to me, guys, anytime. I'm here for you. Thank you and take care.